Loves, long time no see. I don't even want to say I know you miss me. Don't worry, I'm back. No. I'm tired of saying it because I will say it and I will still go back. But fingers crossed this time because I'm done with school finally. Because school was really crazy. I was trying to keep up with school and YouTube, but I couldn't. I know people can, but not me. So I just decided to give it a break and being through with school. So I'm through with school. I'm just trying to juggle working and YouTube now. Hopefully this time I am back fully. Let's just see how it goes. I don't want to make promises again because anytime I promise you guys and I come and I go off, I feel bad. I feel awful. Hopefully I can give you 2 videos a week. Trust me, we have a haul. You know me, we have a haul. I actually went hygiene shopping. I just got few items. I didn't really get a lot, but one of the reasons why I went to Trafford Center was because I found out that Bath and Body Works is now in the UK physical store at Trafford Center, and I wanted to be sure. And guess what, guys? If you're in the UK, in Manchester, Bath and Body Works is in Trafford Center. God, I saw a lot of things. I felt like packing the whole store because I've been following Bath and Body Works like for years. So if you want to get any Bath and Body Works product, you could just go there to the physical store so you could perceive. Because for me, sometimes blind buying scents are not really my thing, because everybody has like scents they like. You might tell me, oh, peppermint, the twisted peppermint scent is really nice. I might go and I might not like the peppermint scent. So most of the time when it comes to fragrances or products with fragrances, I prefer going in store and perceiving them to be sure of what I want to get before I get them. But it's there, I went there. So you know how we do this video, in the sense that I will show you some of the things I saw in store, then I'll show you what I got. So that's what we're going to do here. So I went to Bath and Body Works, I went to the Body Shop, I think I went to Next, because the home section in Next, so where they have the diffusers, the candles, it's one of my favorite place. Yeah, and I went to Boots. I will show you those videos and I'll come back and I'll show you what I got. Okay, love, so my first stop is at Bath and Body Works, and oh my god, I was so overwhelmed. Lots and lots of products. I tried spraying some of the scents. I tried perceiving them. There was just a whole lot, and I was so excited. I didn't really budget for Bath and Body because if you know Bath and Body, they are kind of expensive, so I just left. But my next stop was the Body Shop. I love the Body Shop too. I love their products, and they have a whole range. So you can see a very beautiful display of products from the Body Shop. Honestly, I love the Body Shop products. Honestly, I can't, like, if you've used them, let me know. Yeah, I was just testing the body butters to see which one I love. I think that's the mango scent. I was trying to see the feel, like if it was going to melt down or if it was really strong, but I liked it. So that's me basically trying it out. And after going to the Body Shop, I think I stopped next at Rituals, because I wanted to get something for my sister for her birthday. I hadn't gotten it and she wanted the perfume from Rituals, so I stopped at Rituals. God, I love the way Rituals is. I love the store. It feels so serene. It feels expensive, actually. It feels so expensive, and I loved it. So this iconic collection, god, I was so happy when I got a look at the perfumes. The display is one in town. I really love being at the store. So this is me here getting my sister her perfume, and at the lady that attended to me was just asking me what I would prefer, and I just told her anyone is fine. So that's why I go for my sister. She was there with me. And next I went to Next, because Next home section is one of my favorite places to be. I just love going in, perceiving all the diffusers, the scents. And this is just me and my sister. We're trying to like pick a scent that we like, and we're just testing it all around, going from one place to the other, just checking what they have. So after we left next, we went straight to Boots, which is my usual body care place to get my products. So I'm just showing you all the products that I saw at Boots, the new ones that I've seen, and just all general products, like products in general. See, Soap and Glory, one of my favorite brands. I've not seen this. I don't know if this is a new collection, but I love Soap and Glory products. So the first on my list, if you watch that the video, you will see that I went into Body Shop and I got 2 products from Body Shop. This is the Body Shop Sugar Scrub Body Scrub in Mango. So this is it. God, I love the smell. If you saw the video where I went into Body Shop, I tested out the body butter physically there, and I loved it. The mango smell is so strong. My only problem with the Body Shop body scrub is, for me, their body scrubs are not exfoliating. I prefer body scrubs that actually exfoliate my skin. Like, I use it and I feel like my skin is exfoliated. For me, the Body Shop body scrubs don't give me that. They feel like I'm just using another body wash, and they are really soapy, like they foam. I'm not a fan of the body scrub. I just bought it again. I bought it sometime last year, but I decided to check if they had changed the formula, because when I checked it in store, I kind of felt it. I was like feeling a little bit of sugar, so I was like, okay, let me try it again. Maybe they had changed the formula, but trying it again, it still feels the same way. So it's not really, I'm not sure I'll be trying the Body Shop body scrubs again unless they change the formula, because I really don't like the way it feels. I don't feel like it exfoliates my skin. I feel like I'm just using another body wash on my skin. Like, for me, it's even worse than the Dove. If you've ever used the Dove body polish before, you know that it's not really exfoliating. It's not really a strong exfoliant. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm not sure I'll be getting it, but I love the scent. So I got the matching body butter, and oh my god, so this is the Body Shop body butter in Mango, and it said it's for dry skin. It has 96 hours moisturizing moisture. I just loved it. I love the way it smelled. Ooh, it smells really nice. Funny enough, I didn't also want to get the body butter from the Body Shop. I think I prefer their body yogurt, because last year when I got the body butter, I think it was which is it, the pumpkin and something. For me, it was too strong because it was winter, but I felt like it was so, like, to melt it down on your skin, it takes a while. But when I tried this in store, it was really soft, like really soft. Look at this. And I was like, if they would do the formula like this, or if all the formulas, see, can you see how it melted? It smells really nice. So I'm going to drop links of all the products in the description box, so if you want to check them out. You know me, I will never ever tell you what I don't like. So next, I got this Skinny Deep London Creamy Vanilla Body Scrub. I've not used this product before, but I've used the Skinny Deep. I think their body wash, it was purple and I liked it. So this is what it looks like. During my shower routines, I talk about how I feel about the products while I use them to shower. So I'm going to give my review about this. I love the smell. It smells really like vanilla. Touching it now, I don't think I like the consistency for a scrub. I don't like the feel. Okay, so I'm not going to say anything until I use it, because I can't use it now, so I cannot give my 100% review. So when I do my shower routine, I'll definitely give my best review. I got a deodorant, and this is the Dove Active Care, and this is in passion fruit and lemongrass scent. I perceived it and I love the smell. Actually, I really like it. You all need deodorant to keep your armpits good, okay? I know people, I've tried using natural deodorant. I got the wild natural deodorant some time ago, and I didn't really like the formula. If you watched any of my videos where I used it, I said it. I don't like the formula of the wild. I didn't like it at all. But so I went back to my Dove, you know, which is good. So next, I got this Garnier body superfood 48 hours repairing body. This is in cocoa and ceramide. This is for very dry skin. I say it's fast absorption. This is a big yes for me, like big yes, yes, yes. Over the summer period, I actually got 2 of it. Let me show you. So I got the watermelon and hyaluronic acid. So over the summer periods, while I wasn't filming, this was my go-to. I love it. The smell smells like it really smells nice. You could really perceive the watermelon. So I had to get it again and get this watermelon is for more like normal skin. It has this, it feels like gel. It's like a gel body lotion. In fact, it's written here, it says 48 hours hydrating gel cream. It's actually a gel cream. It feels very light. It absorbs into my skin really, really nice, and it smells good. Like once you open it, you can perceive the watermelon smell. It was my sister that actually made me to get it, because she got it and I was like, I went to her room one day, I was like, why is watermelon smelling? She was like, it's her cream. I was like, what? How much is it? £9.99. It's like £10. But I love it. Like the way I don't even like, I don't have mercy on it, because the way I would dip into it and rub it on my skin, and it smells on your skin. You know, there's some body creams you use that will smell on your skin. This does it. I remember one of my Soap and Glory body cream, it smells on your skin. Like whenever you rub it on your skin and you like for a first, let's say like an hour or even more, it smells on your skin. The cream smells on your skin. So I got this is a gel, and this is the cocoa. This is mainly for, I got it because since we're in the cooler months, this is for very dry skin, and it's written here. This one also smells, it also smells good. It really smells good. So if you have not tried this Garnier superfood body superfood, please get your hands on any of them, any of these ones. These are the ones I've tried. I know there are other ranges, the one that has the green one, that's aloe vera, but for now these are the ones I've tried and I love them. They smell really nice. Please go and get your hands on this. I'm going to drop the links in the description. Let's get your hand, and you can get your hands on this since we are getting to the cooler months. It's thicker than the watermelon. Like I said, the watermelon is gel, but this is way thicker than the watermelon. Not like very, very thick. It's very good. Oh my god, I don't even want to keep saying anything. Just go and get it. Okay, go and get it. Last but not the least, I just got a few skincare products since I went into Boots, and I just got 1 or 2. I got the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I have strawberry skin, and I've heard people say they use it, so I just wanted to try it. I don't know, I just like, I've always had strawberry skin on my legs especially, and all of a sudden I noticed it on my hands, and I'm like, what's happening? You cannot see I'm exfoliating. I just want to try it. In fact, I just want to try how it works, if it's going to work. And they say it's good for your underarm, like to help with deodorizing it. So I think maybe I'll just try it like once or twice in a week, just to keep my underarm fresh from deodorants or not, because before I use lemon. Before I just usually use lemon, so some nights I'll just use lemon under my arm. That's what I used to use before, which is not really bad, I think. But there was a time I had a cut from maybe, I think it was from shaving, and I didn't realize, and I used the lemon and it hurts me so bad. So but I've not really gone back to it, so I just decided to try it. Okay, so that's why I got the glycolic acid. I want to try it for my strawberry skin and also my underarm, because it's advised, like it's good, you know, just to keep your underarm fresh. So I'll be trying that, and sometimes on my face too. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for sticking around till this time. Stay tuned for my shower routine, and if you've not subscribed, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. We have contents coming your way. Please follow me on my social media. I've started posting on my social media, so my TikTok, my Facebook, my Instagram. Please go and join me there, because there I will show you more shower routines, in the sense of I will show you like back-to-back things that I'm using, because I cannot show you all of that on Twitter, on YouTube every day. But there I'll show you like most of almost like everyday shower routine products that I'm using every day. So yeah, go and follow me on my social media to keep you updated, you know. yeah, and to see my other life. Because yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for staying around to this time, and I'm glad you did, and I hope you're happy to have me back. So I love you guys. Bye.